great Guru lineage of the Sri Shaila Pitha and invoking the divine blessings of Brahmarambha Mallikarjuna Swami. Respected dignitaries, revered scholars, and distinguished guests, we extend our heartfelt respects to all the esteemed participants gathered here today in this holy spiritual assembly in the historic city of Greece, Athens. Greece is widely regarded as the cradle of philosophical thought, while India is honored as the spiritual guide of the world. It is indeed a rare and meaningful occasion that these two great streams of wisdom are coming together on this sacred platform for reflection and dialogue. Though geographically distant, Greece and India are remarkably close in their philosophical vision. The great philosopher Socrates, born on this very soil, inspired the world with his profound teachings. His timeless message, "Know yourself," resonates deeply with the ancient Indian Upanishadic wisdom, Atmanam Vidhi. Both convey the same eternal truth: realize your own inner self. The tradition that worships Shiva as the ultimate reality, both with form and beyond form, and as the very essence of one's own self, with a spirit of total surrender, is known as Shaiva culture. Over time, various forms of worship evolved within this tradition, giving rise to different streams such as Anadi Shaiva, Adi Shaiva, Purva Shaiva, Mishra Shaiva, Shuddha Shaiva, Marga Shaiva, and Veera Shaiva, as mentioned in the Agamas. In different regions, these traditions developed unique identities such as Kashmir Shaivism. Thus, Shaiva culture spread across the world in diverse forms. Among all these, Veera Shaivism stands out as a refined synthesis, integrating the most profound and socially relevant elements of all Shaiva traditions. Just as Vedanta is the essence of all Vedas, Veerashaiva philosophy is the essence of all Shaiva paths. Hence it is said, Navirashaiva sadrisham matamasti jagatraye. There is no doctrine equal to Veerashaivism in all the three worlds. The Adi Jagadgurus, the Panchacharyas, propagated this philosophy on earth under the command of Parashiva. Through the Panchasutras, they revealed to the world the profound truths concerning the five fundamental realities: the individual soul, the supreme, the universe, bondage, and liberation. Veerashaiva philosophy is founded on the doctrine of Shakti Vishishtadvaita. Shaktischa Shakti Tabhyam Vishishtau Jiveshau Tayor Advaitam Shakti Vishishtadvaitam. This means when a being with limited power develops his power through his own efforts and becomes non dual with Shiva, who has immense power. It's called Shakti Vishishta Advaita. This divine energy is the very cause of creation. While some philosophies interpret this Shakti as Maya, is the reference of Ya Ma Sa Maya, means suggesting it separates the soul from Shiva. But Virashaiva thought offers a deeper insight. Mam Shivam Paramam Brahma Ayatiti Swabhavataha Mayeti Prochate Loke Brahmanishtha Sanatani. Here Maya is not a barrier, but a guiding force that ultimately leads the soul back to Shiva. Just as a mother separates a child from the father at birth only to later unite them again, so too does Shakti separate and reunite the soul with the divine. Thus, spirituality, Shakti holds equal importance as Shiva. It is truly commendable that the government of Greece has taken the initiative to spread the glory of this primordial Shakti across the world through such a unique and meaningful event. Virashaiva philosophy, while deeply spiritual, also carries profound social values. In many traditions, religious rites begin after birth. However, in this tradition, spiritual initiation begins even in the womb through the sacred practice of Linga Dharana. Unlike certain systems that exclude women from spiritual practices, this tradition grants equal rights, status, and dignity to women in all aspects of religious life, including initiation and worship. The sacred text Sri Siddhanta Shikhamani declares, Brahmana Kshatriyo Vapi Vaishyo Va Shudra Eva Va Antejo Va Shiveya Bhaktaha Shivavan Manya Eva Saha. This means that regardless of caste, class, wealth, or social status, anyone devoted to Shiva is worthy of the highest respect, equal to Shiva himself. Thus, Virashaiva tradition establishes the highest form of the social justice by granting spiritual authority based on virtue and righteous action rather than birth. Furthermore, this tradition offers a universal gateway for spiritual seekers. Anyone who wishes to embrace the Hindu path finds in Shaiva Dharma a welcoming and profound entry. One of the most unique contributions of this tradition is the concept of Ishtalinga, which allowed every individual to carry the divine within and worship independently without dependence on intermediaries. As expressed, Deho Devalayah Prokto Jivo Deva Sanatanaha. The body itself is a temple, and the soul within is the eternal divine. A young man from Russia named Danish Yam, who received initiation from the Jagadguru of Kasipitha, once responded to a stranger who asked, "Who are you?" He said with conviction, "I am walking temple, talking God. Such is the spiritual confidence this tradition instills in its followers. According to this philosophy, the soul ultimately merges into the Supreme through its union with the Linga. This is called Linganga Samarasya or liberation moksha. Interestingly, Greek philosophy echoes similar ideas. When Socrates was sentenced to death, he declared that death is not a punishment for the body, but a purification of the soul. This inner purification is what Indian philosophy called moksha. Such profound similarities between our traditions must serve as a guiding message for the world. Let this message foster peace, harmony, and mutual understanding, eliminating hatred and division. We believe that Greece, by initiating such a noble endeavor and contributing to a rare artistic expression centered on the universal Mother Shakti, is setting a powerful example of global harmony. May all the future endeavors related to this initiative be completed successfully and auspiciously. With the best wishes to all present here, I conclude my address with best blessings. Om Shantihi, Shantihi, Shantihi. एक बहुत बड़ा पिक्चर बनाने का जो संकल्प उन्होंने किया और उसके लिए हमारे मनु कुमार जी को चुना और मनु कुमार जी बहुत ही श्रम से इस कार्यक्रम को आयोजन किया और बहुत ही कष्ट उठा करके भारत से इतने संतों को बुलाया। ऐसे मनु कुमार जी को और उनको खासकर सहकार देने वाले हमारे शशांक जी को और हमारे आकाश विश्वामित्र को विशेष अभिनंदन के साथ मंगल आशीर्वाद। और हम आशा करते हैं आने वाले दिनों में, अभी हमने केवल महिषासुर मर्दिनी के रूप में देवी को देखा है, देवी के अनेकों अवतार हैं। वे सभी अवतार जब पूर्ण हो करके हमारे सामने आएंगे तो हम आशा करते हैं प्रत्यक्ष देवी ही उसके साथ हमारे सामने प्रत्यक्ष होंगी। हम उसको आनंद उठाएंगे और पूरे दुनिया को उस शक्ति का प्रचार और प्रसार होगा। पुनः एक बार सबको मंगल आशीर्वाद। ओम शांति ही शांति ही शांति।